Alright guys, we're gonna do a little work on the Civic. A little paint transfer go down here. So, let's see if we can get this paint transfer off of here. Alright, just clean it off with some dishwashing soap and water. I'm gonna hit this side with the Ultimate Compound. Might have to sand this stuff, but I'm just gonna try flying the buffer over it, see what happens first. Alright, just hitting that quarter panel with some compound. Already made a pretty tremendous difference getting those holograms out. You know, it's definitely not perfect, but run over it with some polish too. And I'm gonna run the buffer over the big scratches last. As you can see on the door, all those holograms. Alright, looks like you got most of the paint transfer off of here. So just use Ultimate Compound and then that D166 polishing wax. So decided to use the plastics on headlight here. Not bad, just doing it by hand. No power tools, just a couple towels. Alright, it's both of them. Not bad for no power tools. Turned out pretty good. Alright, get some final shots of this out in the sunlight. See how hologram that hood is. Got a lot of those holograms out of there. So we got most of the paint transfer off there. Still got some little dents and dings in there, but definitely looks dramatically better.